Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be solving the percent composition of chlorine in the molecule or compound NaCl. So the percent composition has to be done by first of all writing out the formula for percent composition. So the general formula for percent composition is N, which is the number of atoms, times the atomic mass of the element or the atomic mass of the atom or element of interest, which in this particular case, we're solving for the percent of chlorine. So the atom of interest, element of interest is just chlorine, and all of that information divided by the molar mass of the compound or molecule. And in this case, the compound or slash molecule is NaCl, right? All of that information has to be multiplied by 100%. Now, we go to the second stage. We have to determine the atomic mass of chlorine, which we know to be 35.453 gram per mole by using the periodic table. And then we have to determine the molar mass of NaCl, which is 58.4428 gram per mole. Now, the thing you guys have to know is, as you can see, I did not go through the whole process of solving this step by step simply because I have videos on my channel that teaches you how to solve the molar mass of compound step by step. And at the stage of solving percent composition, you're supposed to be very good with that skill. But if you're struggling to solve the molar mass of NaCl, make sure you check the description box and watch my videos on molar mass determination, or just watch YouTube shorts. I have a bunch of questions on this. So in an exam, they could either give you the molar mass or they could ask you to determine it. So in this case, I've given it to you, and the molar mass of NaCl is going to be 58.4428 gram per mole. Now, we're going to input this information here into the main equation. So the percent chlorine is going to be equals to the number of atoms. In this case, is just one atom of chlorine in NaCl. So we can say 1 times the atomic mass of chlorine, which is 35.453 gram per mole, right? All of that information divided by 58.4428 gram per mole. And of course, what are we going to do? We are going to cancel out the gram per mole numerator as well as in the denominator. So all of that information times 100%. And when we divide 35.453 when we divide 35.453 by 58.4428, we end up with 0.60663 times 100%. Never forget the 100% since we're actually solving for percent composition. So never forget that. So all of that, you end up with 60.66%, because we're timesing by 100, we move this to 2 twice and we end up with 60.663. But because we're going to be doing the answer in 2 decimal places, which is basically my standard in my videos, we're going to end up with 60.66 chlorine, just 60.66% chlorine in NaCl. I wish you guys all the very best. See you on the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.